Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can deploy the N8N service on your own server so you can actually have unlimited AI workflows for almost free. So, as you probably know, Zapier and Make can actually get pretty expensive when you want to scale up your operations. In our case, we're going to host the N8N on DigitalOcean and actually pay the minimum amount, which is roughly $6 per month. And we actually get a server that is online 24/7 and can actually get us unlimited operations instead of the 2500 default plan of N8N. So let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to need to create an account to DigitalOcean. Link will be down in the description. And once you get here, you're going to create a project. And basically, you will go to their marketplace where they actually have an N8N template. So if you click see details here, you will actually see they have instructions on how to do it. And it's very easy. So step one, you're going to create an N8N droplet. And you're going to wait a little bit to set up. Yeah, you want to set up as close to your location as possible, the server, so it's faster this way. And one thing you need to notice is if you scroll down, you'll see that by default it's going to take you to the more expensive servers, but you don't need that. You actually need the regular one, and the $6 is enough to get started. If your scale is so high that the server starts to get a bit laggy, you can actually upgrade the hardware later without losing any data. So you don't need to worry about that. So you select your hardware, and basically you need to create a password here. And let's see, is this N8N? Yeah, and obviously do not show this password to anybody. I'll destroy this service, so it's okay. And that's it. So you want to click create, and this is all the configuration. So now you want to click create, and it's going to take a minute or two to get started and get configured. So here we're going to have to wait for this one, and you want to click on it. And basically what you want to do is, this is step two. You want to get this IP version 4, you want to copy it, and you want to go to your domain service, whichever it is, doesn't matter, and you want to click create a new record. It's going to be type A, and host, it's going to be N8N. You can see why. And you're going to paste the IP. We're going to change this to 1 minute to get fast. I'm going to save this, and now that's ready. We want to connect to our droplet. Where is the connect button? Here. You want to click in the console. So don't get scary because you see the terminal. There's no way you can actually break this, so it's fine. You're gonna wait a little bit. It might throw a connection error because we connected fast. Oh no, it's going to work. And okay, so now we're going to need to input 3 configs. So first it says what subdomain do we want, and we're going to leave it at default. So it's going to be n8n.yoururl.com. So in our case, it's going to be n8n.apexlabs.ai. So we leave it at default. Click enter. Domain name, we're going to enter your domain name, apexlabs.ai, and email address, it's going to be alex@apexlabs.ai. And if we want to configure time zone, we're going to click no. And now it's going to take roughly a minute to actually get installed on our server. So give it a minute and we'll come back. So as you can see, the installation is completed, and actually we can see our server domain here, and this is going to be how we access the platform. So okay, I didn't actually copy it. Okay, so if you go in, it might take some time for this to load up. The first time I did it, it took like 5 minutes, and you might have to wait a little bit for this to get working. And okay, so it loaded, and the first time you're going to log in, it's going to tell you to actually set up. It's like creating an account to the cloud version. So we're going to use our email, first name, And for password, okay, let's use a default one. It's the onboarding step, just like anything, doesn't matter in this case. The workflow is here. So I'm gonna create a new one, and basically this is it. So you have your own server now, and let's check, for example, the webhooks. They do actually work, and as you can see, we get the URLs for the webhooks in our own actually server URL. So this was a tutorial. It's pretty easy. If you get stuck on any step of the process, leave a comment below and we're happy to help you. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you need any extra help, leave a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.